Slim molds. These are also comes under Protista, kingdom Protista. See the general characteristics of the slim molds. These slim molds are saprophytic protists. These slim molds are saprophytic protists. Chart is much famous. The multinucleated mass of protoplasm. The multinucleated. These slim molds are having the multinucleated mass of a protoplasm is surrounded by a plasma membrane. Is surrounded by a plasma membrane. Here these are all multinucleated mass of protoplasm which is surrounded by the plasma membrane. Yes. Next one, see the body moves along decaying twigs and leaves. Decaying twigs and leaves engulfing the organic material. It takes the food material. It takes the food material by the process of engulfing. Here the body which is moves along decaying twigs and leaves engulfing the organic material. Here that's why we are calling the saprophytic. That's why we are calling the saprophytic protists. That's why we are calling saprophytic protists. Why? Because they are decaying twigs. Why? Because these are moving along the decaying twigs and it's always depend on the decaying twigs and organic matter. Here under suitable conditions they form an aggregation. They form an aggregation called plasmodium. They form an aggregation is called plasmodium which may grow and spread over the several feet height. And coming to the next point, during the unfavorable condition, here it is there is a unsuitable condition. Here it is under unfavorable conditions the plasmodium differentiates and forms the fruiting bodies. That is a sporocarp. The unfavorable condition the plasmodium differentiates and forms the fruiting bodies. These fruiting bodies which bears spores at their tips, and these spores possesses true walls. That's why they are extremely resistant. And survive for many years. And even under adverse conditions. So these spores are dispersed by the air currents. When it is a suitable conditions, these spores are germinated and grow in the suitable conditions. See, these are the characteristics of the slim molds. Once again, we have to recall it. Slim molds are the saprophytic protists, and these are the multinucleated mass of protoplasm which is surrounded by the plasma membrane, and this is the body which is moves decaying the twigs and leaves engulfing the organic material, and under suitable conditions they form aggregation and is called the plasmodium, and which may be growing spread over the several other feet. And next point that during the unfavorable conditions they are forming the plasmodium. During the unfavorable conditions the plasmodium differentiates and forms the fruiting bodies, and it bears these fruiting bodies which bears the spores, and these spores are having the true walls, and that's why it is survive in adverse condition for many years. So these spores are dispersed by the air currents. These are the characteristics of the slim molds. Thank you.